Do you say look for everything? Look at this. You look tired. It looks good. Look here. Using one simple verb again and again makes your English sound basic. Strong speakers choose more precise verbs depending on context. Watch carefully. Subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Look can mean see, seem, check, or examine. Here are 6 better alternatives. 1. When observing something, instead of look at this, say, take a look better. Take a look at this. Check this out. Observe this. Example, check this out. Two. When describing appearance, instead of you look tired, say, you seem tired. You appear tired. You look exhausted better. You seem exhausted. Example, you seem tired today. Three. When giving instructions, instead of look here, say, pay attention. Focus here. Look better. Focus on this. Example, focus on this part. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.